Hi everyone, happy Sunday. Hope you guys are all staying cool. If you don't have anything to do or you're searching for a open house to attend, and especially here in Castaic, come on down. We're here from 12 to 2 today at 31215 Quail Valley Road in Castaic. It's in the Bravo Anchor track. Let me give you a quick peek of this property, but it is a pool house, turnkey property, has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, plus a bonus room. Let me give you a quick peek of the property. Okay, let me turn this around. It is in a quiet neighborhood on a cul-de-sac as well. Look at this property here. Come on down, guys. We're here from 12 to 2 today. Again, like I said, it's a 4-bedroom with a bonus room with 3 bathrooms. 3 of the bedrooms are downstairs and the primary bedroom is upstairs. And it does have a sparkling pool and spa for these hot summer days. Look, nice quiet neighborhood in the city of Castaic, 31215 Quail Valley Road. Let me give you a quick peek of the inside. Just follow our open house signs. We're off Parker Road on the 5 freeway north. Let me give you a quick peek. Here you go. Here is the bonus room. Immediately once you walk into the house, it has a fireplace as well. Open space concept dining room area with the kitchen and living room. Let's proceed into the 3 bedrooms that are downstairs. Nice and spacious bedrooms. That's bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 2. And bedroom number 3. And this one has its own bathroom as well. So you have 2 primary bedrooms with their own bath, 1 downstairs and 1 upstairs. And this is the 2nd bathroom here. Then you go upstairs to the main bedroom. You got a nice little office space there. The primary bedroom here, nice and spacious with a walk-in closet and separate tub and shower. Now let me show you outside here real quick here. The sparkling pool for these hot summer days. Look at this view. Just want to jump inside that pool right now. Perfect backyard for entertainment. If you can't make it to the open house from 12 to 2, feel free to contact myself or Rose, and we'll gladly give you a private tour at a later time. You can always contact me here on social media or call or text me at 818-399-4093. Or you can always call or text Rose at 818-590-2077. Happy Sunday. Hope to talk to you guys soon. Take care. Stay cool. Bye-bye.